Hello, everyone. It's Janet here, Lisa's helper, and I'm in my kitchen in Nova Scotia, heading to a party tonight, and we have to bring a little treat, something sweet or savory. So I have this little ditty that I make sometimes when I'm in a pinch and I need to do something in a hurry. If I have a few baking ingredients on hand, and I thought, hey, I should share it to all of you. And while I'm at it, just Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays, everybody. And thanks to those who are sending some recipes in that I'm going to post. And I may revive some of those cookie recipes from the past year to bring up and make sure you have access to them because we have quite a list of cookie recipes for the holidays. So this, you may have seen it before. You just take a dark chocolate, like a semi-sweet baker's chocolate, and then you melt that in the microwave. Be careful not to heat it too far or it starts to change consistency. And then you take a white baker's chocolate, and they didn't have any left at the store, so I found these cream cheese chocolate chippets, and I just tasted one and they taste really good. So a bowl of each of those two chocolates melted separately in the microwave. This is a recipe you throw together quickly. And then I bought some craisins just to have like a dried fruit in there. It could be a raisin. Maybe you don't even want a dried fruit. But for crunch, I got some of the almonds. So I'm going to be preparing the chocolate and putting this combination together to make a bark. So it's quick, it's easy, it's ready to go after it chills in the fridge and you snap it apart. And that's going to be my little thing that I take to this party tonight. So I'll be back with the next step. I am doing a little bit of mandarin. I had a mandarin instead of an orange in the fridge, so I'm doing a little bit of mandarin rind to put across the top of these chocolates to give them that added flavor of citrus. So I'm alternating. I've melted my two chocolates separately, a little bit at a time. I used half of each package at a time and set it for, like 40 seconds and checked it like that so that it wouldn't scorch. And then I'm alternating the two different colors on a piece of parchment paper so that I can make like a checkerboard of the two colors and keep adding it in. Eventually I'm going to stir the two together to make a marbleized look. And after I've marbleized it, I'll put the fruit and the nuts in. So while the chocolate's still warm, I'm just going to go the different directions that will start to pull one colored chocolate into the other. Now I can add some of my fruit down and my nuts down in while it's still warm. Push it down in. Raisins. So this is half of my batch. I just decided to do a little bit at a time so I don't scorch the chocolate in the microwave. So I have twice as much as what you see here when it finishes. There we go. It's going to be super tasty. wait until it solidifies and I get to break it apart. Ready to go into the fridge. I have got a thicker batch here of the chocolate that got marbleized by running my knife back and forth. I've got the craisins shoved down in and the almonds and a sprinkle of mandarin rind, or you could use orange rind, to flavor these up with an added oomph. So I'll put that in the fridge to solidify and then snap it into shards of chocolates. It's going to be yummy. Well, it didn't take long, like maybe 15 minutes, and my 2 batches are solid from the fridge and ready to break apart to prepare to take to the party. I'm getting excited about this party tonight because it's in a sea captain's house, and so the home is beautiful. It's got gorgeous archways and hardwood floors and old-fashioned looking home. It's going to be lovely to see it all decorated for Christmas. So here's my shards, all random sizes. And as soon as I have these ready to go to the party, I'll put them back in the fridge again. Get that last little bit of solidifying done. And that's the thin one. This is the thicker one. And it's able to be broken apart. I can make them smaller as well, just going as they happen, the way I grab them. Very pretty with the white, the orange. That middle is just still too soft. But you can see they look like. There we go. Yeah, so I'll probably go through them one more time and make them a little tinier. But that is my chocolate bark to take them to Christmas party time. See you, everyone.